So hello guys, in this video we will talk about the merge sort algorithm. So let's first talk about its theory. So what is the algorithm and how it will sort the our given list. So the array or list is divided into the half, and then halves are further divided into halves, and this procedure is repeated recursively till the size of array is either 1 or 0. So this is the divide part. So initially let's say we have sixth element like 6 5 12 10 9 1. So these are sixth element. So first it will divide it into halves like this, left and right part. Then it will further divide into halves like this. Then it will further divide into halves. So this is not further divided. We further divide till either length of array is 1 or 0. So this will further divide like this. In this way this is also divided. So finally we will get like this. After division we will get all the single elements like this. After division we will get all the single elements. So after divide we apply the conquer technique. So the merge sort algorithm is divide and conquer technique. So after now we apply the conquer technique by merging two subarray into single array, and repeat this process till all the elements are combined and the array is sorted. Now we combine these elements like in sorted manner. Like if I say initial I like we see in our algorithm. So this is our code, and let's see this code how it is working by an example. So we take the same array 6 5 12 10 9 1. So uh, first we define the function merge sort and we pass it an array, and if length of array is greater than 1, so in our case length is 6, so length is 6, and then we find the middle of the array by 6 double slash divided by 2, so it will give us integer part, so it will give us 3. Then we divide array into the two halves, is the left part and right part. In the left part in our case it is from this, and right part it is from this. So this means index 0, 1 and 2 element like 6, 5 and 12 come into the left part, and in the right part come in 10, 9 and 1. Now we are recursively calling merge sort function on the left array and on the right array. So our left array is this. So first we call on this. So now here if we call again this function, so again it will check the length of the array. Now the length is 3, and if we check the r, so 3 double slash divided by 2, so it will become 1. So left is now the left will become like array this, so it only index 0 element, so it is 6, and the right part will become like this. Now after doing that we are applying uh, uh, again merge sort on this. So like here what will happen here, the length of array is less than 1, so this function will not run, and here so this function will not run, so this will become like this. Now then come the right part, like this part. So this part will further divide into the two parts like 5 and 12 according to the this rule. If you can say like here length is 2, so r will become 1. So r will become 1, then left part will become like in our case like 5, and right part will become this. So if you apply, so we stop further dividing, then if we get the length of array is 1, so here we will get this. So after getting all this, so this is only this part, and initially we have this right part also. So after doing all the uh, division and then merging on left part, right part will also do the same thing. So we are seeing only the left part, so it will become 6 5 and 12. Then this code is like for combining this. So initially then we combine these two element in sorted order 5 and 12, so it will become like this. Then we combine this and this, so it will become like 5 6 12. So this left part is in like the sorted order. And it's same we can do for right, like 10 9 1. So first we divide like this 10 and 9 1, then we divide like this, oh sorry, then we divide like this 10, and here 9 1 will become like this. Then we merge these two, so it will become 1 9. Then we merge this with this, it will become 1 9 10. We have left also in sorted manner, this is also in sorted manner. Then we combine these two, then it will become the last sorted array. So in this way is working. So first it is division and then conquering. So this part of code is for only sorting the different lists, like how this and this is sorted. The, all means combining the two lists in the sorted manner, like this is also sorted, this is also sorted, so how these two are combined to form this part of code, then that thing, it will combine to sorted array in a sorted manner. So we can also see its implementation step by step. So let's see that. So here you can see that I have uploaded the code in the Python tutor. This is one website you can see. This is very helpful for visualizing the code. So I put my code, and now and it is the same example. Now let's see how step by step it is implemented. So the first thing it does is define the function. Then next, this is our array. So it is, you can see this green and red arrow. So you now it will apply the merge sort function on our this list. Then then it will doing these parts, uh, if you can here see the length of array is greater than 1, so it is checking that. Then it will define what is the value of r, so it will getting 3. Then the left array is 6 5 and 12, like we have seen in our discussion. Right is 10 9 1. Then it will again applying merge sort on this array 6 5 and 12. Then it will again doing the same thing, like what is the length, what is the r value, so then defining left array and the right array. Then again it will applying merge sort on this left part, like 6. But here the length is not greater than 1, so it will return, so it will not run that loop, like whole if condition. So then next thing it is do merge sort on this part 5 and 12. So it will do, then it will get r value is 1. Then here is the left part, here is the right part. Then again it will apply a merge sort on this left part. So here length is less than length is not greater than 1, so here it will return none. And then it will apply merge sort on the right part. Then here it is also length is 1, so here it will also return 1. And then it will combine these two, like now you can see the red arrow. Now it is running the below code, so it is for combining two different arrays. Like initially I and j and k is 0, so it is checking. So our left array is 5 and right is 12, so you can check this condition. So if left array of I is less than right array of I, so this condition is true, means I should be incremented by 1. So I should be incremented by 1, and k should be also incremented by 1. And then this condition is now, the upper condition is not uh, correct, because I is 1 and length of left array is also 1. So this will now not run. So now below while loop is run, so this condition is also not true, so this will run now. And here j will become 1 and k will become 2, so like this. So like now we have this u array, you can see this array. So now it will have two element 5 and 12. So now we have our right array in a sorted manner and left array 6. Now we apply uh, again, you can see now it is combining these two arrays like 6 and 5 and 12. So how it is combining? So You can see step by step. So first, uh, like we can say, it will comparing, uh, like we have initial I value is 0 and j value is 0. Like you can say initial I value is 0 and j value is 0. So it is comparing first element like 6 with 5. So 6. So this condition, this if condition, if left array of I is less than right array of j, so this is not true. So this will running this else part. So it will incrementing j by 1 and k by also 1. Then it will again checking. So again it will check this 6 with the up now right array of 1 like 12. So upper part is 1, so it will increment I by 1 and k by 1. So now k will become 2, I is 1 and j is 1. So now you can see now this list is sorted. And now j, so now here we see uh, I value is 1 and length of left array is also 1. So this loop is not run. So this while loop, now we have j is 1 and length of right array is 2. So this will run. So this loop is run. So now j will become 2 and k will become 3. And after doing this, like it is appending the this last element of the bigger array to the end of the list. So basically it will do combine these two in sorted manner, and it will give 5 6 12. Now it will combine this. Now we done this part, left part. It is becoming now we have to also sort the right part in similar manner. So it will do further divide into 10 and 9 and 1. Then it will combine first 9 and 1 in sorted manner, so it will combine this in sorted manner. So it will come. So after it is giving 1 and 9, then it combine 10 and 1 and 9. So it will giving 1 9 10. Now if these two are sorted, then how, then this while three while loops that are written, these combine these two. So after all combining, we will get the final list like here 1 5 6 9 10 12. So in this way this is working. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. We will meet in the next video.